Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product Shoshi Robot. So this is an amazing tool with so many features, like all of the social media features is given inside one dashboard, and the social media marketing can be done inside one dashboard with this dashboard. Okay, so inside this video I will show you all of the features, like main features and additional features of Shoshi Robot, and I will be giving you my bonuses if you want to purchase the tool from my website, that is quickpreview.in, and you can click on the video description first link to get visited my website, and from the page, from this exact page you are showing on the screen now, you will be given the bonuses and the main tool. Okay, so for the bonuses I will clear you the bonuses on the later part of the video. Let me start with the product now. So inside this tool, or with this tool, what you can do, you can create so many posts from one dashboard, so many social media marketing stuffs. Let me show you how you can do it. So firstly, after purchase of this tool, you need to integrate your social media platforms. Like these social media platforms are given by default. Total 6 social media platforms are given, but apart from that you can also integrate some of your other social medias, like 5 other social medias. I don't know the exact name of the social media handles. Total different 11 social media platforms can be integrated inside it, and once you have integrated, then you can use it and your progress will be showing up here inside this dashboard section. So apart from that, if you click on the post section inside Facebook, or if you click on the Instagram feature section, Twitter section, then it will allow you to make any posts, like media posts, like your link or text for the blogging purpose, or to get visitor inside your website. You can use it very easily. And apart from that, if I click on this file manager section, let me show you one interesting thing that is given inside it, that it is giving you by default the image editor. Okay, so the image editor is now opening. It will take some time. While it is opening, let me show you from this page something. Like this tool costs $27, and additionally 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available. And this image editor is very basic, but it is a good to have a own image editor to have, rather than the premium image editor, the paid image editors. Okay, so that is the thing. You can edit your images inside it, and very simple tool, and you can publish it. You can handle your social media platforms inside one dashboard. That is the biggest thing inside it. Like you need to post inside Instagram, inside Reddit, inside Tumblr, inside Facebook individually, rather than you can use it very easily. Like just integrate your social media handles and just click the post. Within just one click, or maybe 2 or 3 clicks, your post will be available inside all of the social media platforms you are watching now. Okay, so you need to upload it. Also, it can serve you the purpose of the cloud storage of 2 GB inside the pro version. Inside the $27 version, you will be given the pro facility of 2 GB. So total 2 gigabyte spaces, or 2 gigabyte space. I am not good in English. My grammar is not good. Okay, so my mother tongue is also not English. So that is the thing. 2 GB space is also available inside the pro version. So that is the thing I have showed you. I think I have showed you everything I want to show you. So you can click on these buttons to get visited to the sales page, and from the sales page you can purchase the tool. With my bonuses, automatically the bonuses will be given to you. Okay, so that is the thing. This is the sales page. Just look at the sales page. To more about it, you can check out the sales page. To know about the real testimonials, those are given here. You can check out the real testimonials, and also some social media proofs, like some of the users are already using it, and they have given their testimonials inside social media platforms. Okay, so this is the tool. There is also a version which comes at $21, but that is not recommended from my side, because it has a storage space only 200 MB. Okay, megabyte. So these are the descriptions of this tool, and total 5 bonuses are here. And let me clear you an amazing thing, that huge bonuses, 147 pages you can see here. Okay, so huge bonuses with exact links will be given to you, and there are some additional bonuses also, 53 pages here. Okay, so huge bonuses are waiting from the vendor, and from my side there are some good and valuable bonuses. So it is very easy to use, and also some FAQs are given and final words, like everyone should get it to handle their social media platforms from one dashboard, all of the accounts from one dashboard, or maybe some selected accounts. You can use the early bird coupon also to get the discounted price, the $27 product inside the $22. Okay, so inside $22, the pro version is $27 and the light version is $21. And if I wanna try to show the bonuses, so inside the mega bonus you will be given something enormous, like inside the mega bonus pack. Okay, so if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonus, and for front end you will be given these bonuses too. So 30 bonuses will be given to you totally free inside the front end, and vendor bonuses I have already showed to you. And that is the thing, if you wanna get any of the upsells, or if you just accidentally or knowingly purchase the mega bonus, automatically purchase the upsells, any of the upsells, you will be given automatically the mega bonus with 400 plus tabs from my side. Okay, so there are good bonuses, amazing bonuses comes by default with this tool, and also my bonuses are coming. So I don't think your money will gone in vain, or will be going in vain, or like your money will be wasted. That is not. You can check out this tool and you can get the tool from this page. So I am signing out for this video. If you are hearing till now, I am thanking you again, that it is very much for me. So I am signing out. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.